Welcome to EDU World Space.
So in this question, we are given the material that is graphite, right? And they have given us the elasticity for the graphite that is equal to 800 ksi and the epsilon for graphite that is equal to 0.23, right? And we are required to determine the principal strain, right? Principal strains. So let's start with the solution. The solution is very simple, right? So now what we're going to do from here is that taking the system of x's as shown in the figure, and we get that stress in the x direction is equal to 10, the stress in the y direction is equal to negative 15, and the stress in z direction is equal to negative 26, right? So what we are going to do from here is that we are going to use the Hooke's law. Hooke's law for each case, and we'll get that the strain in the x direction is equal to 1 divided by the elasticity of the graphite, right? And in the square bracket, first of all, we are doing it for the x direction, so the stress for the x direction will be at the start of the square bracket, negative epsilon, parenthesis close, and in these close parentheses we will have the stresses for y direction plus the stresses of the z direction, right? Now we have all of these values, just plug them in and you'll get that the strain for the x direction is equal to 0.024285, right? And that is approximately equal to 24.29 into 10 raised to power negative 3, right? Then we will do it for y direction, right? So the equation for the y direction is 1 divided by E. Again, we are doing it for the y direction. So the stress for the y direction will be at the start of this square bracket, negative epsilon. Then we have closed brackets, and these closed brackets will be the stress for the x direction and the stress for the z direction, right? So again, we have all of these values, just plug them in and we'll get that the strain for the y direction is equal to negative 0.01415, and that is approximately equal to negative 14.15 into 10 raised to power negative 3, right? Then again we'll repeat it for z direction, right? So for z direction, so we have 1 divided by E, and the stress for the z direction will be at the start of this bracket, negative epsilon, stress of x direction plus stress of y direction, right? So just plug the values and you'll get that it is equal to negative 0.0316025, and that is approximately equal to negative 31.60 into 10 raised to power negative 3, right? And this concludes our answer for this question.